channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. So let's talk about this awesome style. I love this style. I didn't know if I would, but now that I have it on, it's super fun. And guess what? This style is so affordable. This is from the Wig Company, and this is one of the Wig Company's exclusive styles from their statement collection. This here style is called Lustrous, and it's awesome. Okay, so this color is also awesome. This is R3025S, and this is called Glazed Cinnamon. It looks more vibrant in this video. I have no natural light going on right now. I'm filming with the windows open, but it's dark outside, so I have a couple ring lights. Anyway, it is really warm. It's gingery, it's red, but it seems more vibrant with this light. But regardless, it is a beautiful red shade. So yeah, Glazed Cinnamon. Very, very pretty. I would say, okay, so you have like red gingery color, and then it almost looks like you have like some strawberry blonde bitsy strands. Nothing highlighted where you see like streaks or anything like that. But just if you look like at the dimension of the hair color, you just have some lighter little strands in there, kind of like gingery, and then kind of a darker, warmer, deep red. And then you have like a strawberry blonde, and it's all kind of just mixed in there. It's very, very pretty. So with this wig being very, very affordable from the Statements collection, this is your basic cap wig, which works because you have some volume, some permatease on top, but you also have a bang. So you don't have that lace front, but because you have this feathery fun bang, it's not necessary to have that lace front. And because it's a wefted wig, it keeps the price point down. This is really fun. It has almost like a kinky scrunched look, kind of like, I don't know, the hair was put in braids and then pulled out in the morning. My daughters will put like braids in their hair, and then they'll have like a slight kinky wave. And this is, it kind of reminds me of that, but then with this like front curtainy type bang. And together, I don't know, it's giving me like a 90s vibe, kind of. I don't know what kind of vibe I have going on here. It could be because of my my choice of clothing. The choice of clothing that you put on can really change up the way hair is portrayed, in my opinion. I mean, if you look at the model photo, she is more dressed up. And so it goes to show you that you can wear a style and it might look more dressy with like a more mature person. And not saying that I'm young or anything, but then you can actually get away with wearing these styles that you might think, oh, that's not for my age range. But to me, like, you can wear this style if you're like a teenager or in your 20s. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but like, I have 5 kids and a few of them are teenagers, so we'll just leave it at that. Anyway, so this here wig, I think it's pretty rad. And let's talk about it. You have these blunt cut bangs, and they're kind of thick, so that's why I called it a curtain bang, but that's not how it's described on the website. You have these textured layers on this style, and it's basically mid-length. I love a bang. I think bangs are very youthful and flattering, so this is really fun. The length falls just below the shoulder, and you have this natural beachy waved texture. So the awesome thing is you can use thermal tools on this here heat-friendly style. Now this is an average size cap. I would say this is true average in size. It feels nice and snug, yet roomy. It fits me great from ear to ear and front to nape. Let's do a full 360 turnaround of this wig. Isn't this cute? I'm totally digging it. Now let's take this wig off and show you guys the underside. So here we are with your basic cap. You can see that bang right here, that weft up in the crown. The way it's sewn is you have those wefts moving forward where the bang is, and then it's actually sewn kind of in a circle up in the crown. I've noticed that with a fully wefted wig, just depending on how the hair is supposed to lay, the style, it can be like sewn differently on top to have it lay the way that they want. Then you have your open wefted. It's nice and breathable, great cooling ventilation. You have your like open ear tabs, a small open ear tab, and you have like an open nape area with your Velcro adjusters at the nape, so you can loosen and tighten the wig, make it more secure and fit your head more true to size. So because this is a fully basic cap wig, you do have some permatease up in the crown if you dig in there. That's just the name of the game with your basic cap wefted wigs. You need some permatease typically to hide the base materials, which they do a fantastic job, and then it gives it the beautiful silhouette that it has. And take a look at those beachy waves. I think it looks so good, especially with this gorgeous color, glazed cinnamon. Definitely cinnamon. So if you're looking for that cinnamon red color, this is a beautiful shade. I love the bang, how it kind of flutters into this hair. Can you see that? It just looks awesome. If you're a bang girl, check out this style. It's cute. And I'm just telling you, the price point is incredible. Okay, let's put her back on. So, average size, heat-friendly fiber, basic cap wig. Those are the basics. The weight of this cute wig is 4.0 ounces. You have a 4-inch front. The crown is 13 inches. The sides are 9 3/4 inches. The back is 11 1/2 inches. And your nape on this cute wig is 11 inches. You guys go follow the wig company on their social media platforms and definitely sign up for their newsletter for any promos and specials that they have going on. They do have a wide variety of brands and styles and colors, but they do also have their exclusive lines, one being the Statements collection, and they're all very affordable and really, well made, just a great brand for the price. So anyway, do check this out. What do you guys think about this fun wig? What do you think about the length, the beachy wave, and this fun bang? I really love it. And this color, oh my goodness, this color. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. I love when I put on a red and it's just so vibrant. It's so vibrant and it makes you feel so alive. I think certain styles and colors really bring out like an alter ego in us. And I love how feisty and vibrant and bold I feel in a gorgeous red shade. So this glazed cinnamon is definitely a thumbs up from me. I want to thank the wig company for the opportunity to share this cute style with you guys. Anyway, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.